Hey moms! Choosing the right breast pump can be confusing. Manual or electric? What's best for you? Manual pumps are lightweight, portable, and don't need electricity. They are quiet, easy to clean, and ideal for occasional use. Electric pumps are faster, efficient, and great for frequent pumping. They save time and often have adjustable suction for comfort. Manual is simple and portable. Electric is powerful and convenient. Your choice depends on your pumping frequency, lifestyle, and budget. Choose what fits you best and enjoy a comfortable pumping experience. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates. A breast pump is a helpful device for breastfeeding mothers. It is used to express milk from the mother's breast when the baby is not able to feed directly. Mothers often use a breast pump when they are working, traveling, or when the baby is premature. The expressed milk can be safely stored in a clean bottle and fed to the baby later. There are mainly two types of breast pumps: manual and electric. A manual breast pump is operated by hand. It is lightweight, affordable, and easy to carry. An electric breast pump works with electricity or a battery. It is faster, more efficient, and suitable